Hey everyone, alright, so this is a video of just how to install mini blinds. So if any of you out there bought like just a generic brand of mini blinds from like Walmart, you know, their generic brand, this is it. So if any of you are in the same situation that I am, where your wife threw away the box and you know, you're just left with the packet of hardware. So you got a couple brackets here, you know, and you know, you got some screws to attach it to, and you're not sure how to put these brackets on. So I'm going to show you here on these brackets. It says top right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have the word top in there. So they're gonna go like this in your window frame. You're gonna find a spot that works. This one's gonna be a little awkward, but that's basically, that's how it's gonna go. And those oval shaped holes is where your screws are gonna go. So basically you just want to get those set up. Came with some screws here, so we're going to go ahead and use our little handy dandy drill. And we're going to go ahead and attach them up there. Okay, so we're going to do that real quick here. Okay, so you see there, got one screw installed. You can see that's where they're going to go. Go ahead and put another one up there, and if you can, you can put two on the back there. So we're going to go ahead and put another one here. Just like that. Secure, so we'll go ahead and put our other bracket on. So basically you're going to do the same step with the other bracket. It's going to go up there, just like that. Actually I had it backwards. So yeah, just like that. Alright, so we're going to press pause here again, get the other one on there. Okay, so we got our brackets. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the bottom part of our blinds. So we're just going to have it set it in there like that, and then snap in the top. Something like that, yeah. There we go. And then you just push up like so. Let's see here. Supposed to go in there. Man. Here we go. Takes a little adjusting, a little elbow grease. There we go. So yeah, you know, I'm just trying to do this and get it done. You know, you can take more time, measure stuff if you want, but that's just quick and easy for me, so I can just kick my feet up and relax. So now we can attach the, whatever you call it, little wand. It just pops up in there. Yeah, it just pops up in there. And the string, well, I don't know, somewhere in there. But hey, at least the brackets are on, you got your blinds up. Alrighty, have fun.